Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we will talk about commonly mispronounced words. Number one on the list here. How would you pronounce this word?
Leopard.
Leopard? We like to say leopard. Leopard, okay?
Dui.
Dui. Sounds a little funny. I wouldn't be able to guess what it is. But yeah, the word is juice. Juice.
Receive.
Receive? Almost correct. Common mistake for sure. We have a silent P in this word. We pronounce it receipt. Receipt. Okay?
Sword.
Similar to the word receipt, we have a silent letter here. In this case, it's the W. We don't pronounce the W, so we say sword. Last word for today is
Oil.
okay. Now, as we had it with sword and receipt, sometimes we like to omit or not pronounce letters. In this case, with oil, we have to pronounce the L. Okay, one more time. Oil. Say it together. It's oil. Alright? I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.